If you're searching for the best road bikes, you probably want to enjoy smooth rides without the hassle of a faulty bike or uncomfortable fit. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Leeson Bike Phone Holder. The Leeson Bike Phone Holder immediately caught my attention with its ultra-secure grip and a price tag of just $9.98. Honestly, if you want to safely use your phone while cycling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ultra-secure hold ensures that your phone stays in place even on bumpy roads. With an adjustable design, it fits most smartphones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, including the latest iPhones and Samsung models, so you can easily navigate your route or track your fitness stats without fumbling. Plus, its fast installation means you can set it up in just 5 seconds without any tools. No more delays before your ride. It absorbs shocks and prevents scratches, which is crucial for keeping your phone safe during those off-road adventures. Now, some people complained about it being a bit bulky on the handlebars. Here's the thing though, if you're using your phone for navigation or music, a little bulk isn't a deal breaker. It actually provides the stability you need for a secure fit. This is perfect for you if you frequently use your phone for navigation or cycling apps. Skip this one if you prefer a minimalist setup with no phone attachment on your bike. For under $10, it's solid value for peace of mind. Now, if the bulky design bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a focus on safety.
Product number 2. Schwinn Thrasher Helmet. The Schwinn Thrasher Helmet, priced at $31.99. This helmet caught my eye with its sleek design and adjustable features that promise a secure fit. If safety is your top priority while cycling, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why you need to think about this helmet. The adjustable dial retention system allows you to easily find that snug fit that won't budge during your ride. With 21 air vents, it keeps your head cool on long rides, and its lightweight microshell construction means you won't feel weighed down. Plus, it meets US CPSC safety standards, so you can ride with confidence knowing you're protected. This model is designed for adult riders age 14 and up, and many users appreciate how comfortable the full coverage padding feels. However, some users mention that the visor can feel a bit flimsy. But here's the thing, it's easily removable, so if you prefer a visorless look, you can simply take it off without affecting the helmet's safety features. This is perfect for you if you ride regularly and want a comfortable, stylish helmet that keeps you safe. Skip this one if you need something for younger riders or if you dislike visors. For what you get, it's a great value in the realm of bike helmets. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for maintaining your bike.
Product number 3. Continental Race 28 Inner Tubes. Let's talk about the Continental Race 28 Inner Tubes, available for $17.70. What really attracted me to this pack of 2 was the promise of durability and performance. If you want reliability while biking, these tubes are worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. These inner tubes feature seamless construction with mold-cured vulcanization, which means they're designed for uniform roundness and enhanced puncture resistance. They fit 28-inch wheels with a press-to-valve, so they're compatible with most road bikes. With thousands of units sold, these tubes are a popular choice for cyclists looking for dependable performance, especially on longer rides where the last thing you want is to deal with a flat tire. Now, some users have noted that they can be a little tricky to install if you're not familiar with press-to-valves. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the extra effort is totally worth it for the peace of mind and the smooth rides these tubes provide. This is perfect for you if you want reliable inner tubes that can handle long rides without worrying about punctures. Skip this one if you're using a different valve type or need tubes for a mountain bike. At this price point, they're a steal for serious cyclists. If the installation hassle concerns you, the next product is something that makes inflation a breeze.
Product number 4. Continental Race 28 Narrow Inner Tubes. We have the Continental Race 28 Narrow Inner Tubes for $14.40. I was surprised by how lightweight these tubes are while still being reliable. If you need narrow tubes for racing or performance biking, this could be what you're looking for. Why does this matter? These tubes are designed for 700C wheels and are perfect for racing bikes that require a narrower tire. The 42mm long press-to-valve is ideal for rim depths of 30mm or less, ensuring you get the right fit. The premium construction guarantees excellent puncture resistance, which is crucial when you're racing against the clock. Plus, they come individually packed to ensure authenticity and protection during shipping, which is a nice touch for peace of mind. However, users have mentioned that they require precise installation and consistent pressure maintenance. Here's the thing though, if you're a serious cyclist, you likely already know how to manage these details, and the performance you get is well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you need lightweight, high-performance tubes for racing or serious rides. Skip this one if you're looking for more versatile tubes for casual biking. For just over $14, they're a worthwhile investment for performance enthusiasts. Alright, if you're still worried about inflating those tires, this next product will blow you away.
Product number 5, Fantic X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump. Let's take a look at the Fantic X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump, priced at $43.99. This pump genuinely surprised me with its compact design and powerful features. If you want quick and efficient tire inflation on the go, this is one you shouldn't miss. Here's why this matters. The X9 Ace can inflate 8 tires on a single charge, thanks to its powerful 5,000 mAh battery. It can reach a maximum pressure of 150 psi and inflates a 700 by 23C tire in just 32 seconds. Plus, it has an auto shutoff feature, so you won't overinflate your tires. This is a lifesaver on long rides when you need to keep moving without interruptions. The all-in-one design also means you don't have to juggle multiple parts, making it super portable. Now, some users have pointed out that it can take a little while to charge fully, but I'll be real with you. For the convenience it offers, that's a small price to pay. Once charged, you're good to go for multiple rides, and it's a huge time saver. This is perfect for you if you want a portable, efficient inflator that fits easily in your bag. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional hand pump or if you're on a super tight budget. At $43.99, it's definitely a worthwhile investment for the serious cyclist.
To wrap things up, we've covered 5 fantastic products: the Lizen bike phone holder for safe navigation, the Schwinn Thrasher helmet for essential protection, the Continental Race inner tubes for reliability, the Continental narrow inner tubes for performance, and the Fantic X9 Ace mini pump for convenience.